Wow.
Is that turned down?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Oh nice. Phi?
Oh, get out of the way.
Okay, I've got that turned way down. And I'm having no problem
Yeah.
walking all the way through here. You want to get this?
I am.
Through all this structure.
Oh cool.
And
Can I borrow your flashlight?
yeah.
How do I turn this sucker on?
Just a button on the back.
Oh. One of them new high-tech ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I just want a little overhead light so we can see what we're doing and what we're going through.
Okay. It's gone that way.
It's going out there?
So let's go
Okay.
through the
Do we go across the ceiling?
went through the crapper here on this one.
Oh, okay.
I'm not going to be able to read through the crapper.
Maybe through the outside.
It may be.
Because
You've got it across the ceiling.
I've got it there and over here for where it splits off.
Well, here, let me get behind you.
It's there and over here it splits. You see?
Okay, you know what? I had my sensitivity down. There you go.
And I read right through the whole wall over there, all
Yep.
through here.
So
Okay.
I'm picking it up here.
Okay. Very good. Now let's check the other side just to see light intensity, if there's any difference. It's there, yeah.
You know what? I think I just moved too fast. Hey. Getting a little bit right there.
What do we, okay,
But I'm getting more of it over here.
right. Okay, now look at that light intensity and put it over on this other split side. Okay. Okay, do you notice any difference in the intensity of the LED?
I can get a little bit more out of this side.
Right.
But I may be closer to the source.
This side is shorted.
Yeah.
Your shorted side is, you see?
Yep.
Your shorted side is going to sing more than your...
Okay. So when we're coming down to here, well,
You're picking it up over there fine?
Yeah, this is where I pick it up the best.
oh, I'm losing it through the ribs.
But you're picking it right up the other side?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yep. Cool. Well, if you didn't pick it up the other side, we'd know there was a problem right where the rib was.
Right. Still picking it up over here.
Right, right.
Getting weak. But I'm back.
Go, no. Go ahead and trace. I'm just getting back here so I can get a good picture of John L. with the trace. Wow, singing. Nice. That's going right through the whole bundle of wires. But I want to go back to it because these are this is what it would be if it were stripped away. And I'm looking more at what do we have in the normal real world scenario.
Well, I think this area up here was about our
That's what I'm thinking.
Representation.
Right. Yep. Yep.
And check out how well that thing all the way through.
Yeah, the long one, the Long Ranger is.
You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so do I.
Yeah, you get actually with the VU readings and all that stuff.
Yep.
You can tell exactly what's going on.
Yep. I really like the long hammer.
I do too. And your sensitivity is how high is it? That's pretty good. But yeah, you're able to.
You're getting good meter reading and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. Just for giggles, what are we looking like on the other side? On the what is that? The left wing?
Huh?
Would that be the left wing?
Yeah.
Well,
actually, this one's whaling.
We getting a higher or lower reading?
We got a higher reading. I think it's just because of the proximity of the.
Yeah, right.
Of the wire.
Oh, the wire run, yeah.
The ceiling panel here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
As it goes, further up and away now.
Right, right.
It's gumming into more of the same line.
Okay. So, yeah, okay. That's good to know.
And it's whaling right there.
Yep.
This one's actually louder when you get.
Right. It should.
That's the one that's actually singing to you.
Yep. Well, that's the one that's shorted.
Okay.
Because the shorted wire is going to have the reflection on it.
Oh, okay.
So you're going to get you're getting double your.
Well, that makes perfect sense with what we're experiencing then, because what you need to have is your ground.
Right.
For your power source for the supply here.
Right.
On the same ground plane that the airplane is on.
Exactly.
So basically, those returns need to be absolutely tied to one another.
Right. Right. And the thing I do on the grounding for the source, if you ground it to the return, then you're going to be dampening out right at that point. So if you ground it through the chassis of the plane,
right,
then your return is a lot longer.
Yep.
And it just really shows off the wire fault.
I agree. Okay. It makes perfect sense in that light too. It's like, well.
Now you see the theory behind my tech, yeah?
Yep.
Good. Still tracing away, John L.
Yeah, this is actually a very, very, very good run. Now I'm hoping. Okay, we must have feeds back to here, because we also have feeds down here.
Do we go to the back end? We go to the. Is there other lights in the back, or is that the compass? Or is that lights? Which one? What circuit are we on? I have no idea.
We're on the compass. There's a detector out at the end of the wing called a flux valve, and we're on the detector circuit.
Okay.
So let's see where this takes us, because it's fairly fascinating. I never have shot the 2.7 before, so I'm not sure where all the feeds go.
Oh, I gotcha.
So this is actually a learning experience for me too. But yeah, that thing's still strong all the way from the cockpit.
Yeah.
And we're zooming along. Actually need to turn the sensitivity down a little bit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Or I can just stay out here.
Or you can just bring your arm down, which is what I like to do. I'm lazy.
Yeah, well, this is fascinating. But yeah, that source goes a long, long way.
We can do any metal core conductor wire of any useful length.
Wow. Wow. So that's going to feed at the back. Oh, there you go.
make sure I don't fall off of something here.
You're all right.
Okay.
We're gonna we'll probably cut off here pretty soon. Oh, you're still getting it? Yep. Sure, shooting.
Right.
Really strong
here.
too.
Right through all of that.
Yeah.
Right through all of...
Through this.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it accurately shows you which one you're in.
Yeah, it does. You can actually sensitivity down a little bit and dummy it up till you get right over the right one. That's kind of handy.
Yeah, yeah. Move off to one side so we can see the meter. Cool. Very nice, John L.
You know, the world's going to think my name is John L.
Well, that
Is that like Rendell L?
So does that make your life a lot easier?
Yeah, this thing is very, very good at tracing out where everything went. So the trick for the technician then is going to be to understand where the different branches of current are going in the airplane.
Right.
Which is not a big deal. You know, most of us, if you work on an airplane for a little while, you know that anyway. So being able to walk down those paths and go, okay, I've got what I want here, 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 but I don't have it over here. Okay, now I know where to start.
Right,
so
right.
You can actually go out to the end of your branch,
Right.
look and see if you've got your signal. If you do, you're not shooting that branch.
Right.
You go over to the other side or another place where it goes, and when you don't have that signal, that's when you start walking back and you reacquire it. And that would be how I would use this instrument.
Right.
Okay.
Cool.